Hey.
Meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna run into shit. Probably. Nice. Where'd you go, Dronie? Clickety clickety. Then you're gonna go to. You can hear the DJI Neo. You've seen all the modes. Let me And then what if I take my hand away? Hey, look, there's a fucking fly on there. We're at 2% battery, so.
Circle. Rocket.
2 bars.
Spotlight. Spotlight. 3, 2.
So I set this up in my phone. We can go to. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, connect Neo. Okay, we're connecting. Connect successful. And you can see I get a preview on the screen of what it's showing. Spotlight. And you can go into settings here. And you can, so I want to go to, let's say rocket. You can change how many feet, meters, all that stuff. Gives you a little preview of what that is. Or I can go to controls. It takes you back to the main menu. You can go to your album. Bam, there's my album. 24 files. And then you got direction track. And I got that set up. I think that's different, but anyway, I can do circle. I'll show you circle. There we go. And you can click start, so you don't have to use your palm. You can just do it that way. See? And you can set it, I got it up at 30 feet right now. So it's gonna track me when I walk. So let's just see what you got going on here. I'm testing circle mode with it. If it'll follow me. It does circle, and then it just goes back to the circle place to where it was. So, and then it tells you put your hand underneath it. So that's cool. Come over here, put your hand underneath it, and voila, you got a drone. So, aircraft, pitch, angle, 2, gotcha. So come over here, I got a Dronie. We're down to 1 bar.
3, unable to take off, aircraft in motion. 3, 2, 1.
There you go. Then you got your drone. So in case you guys are wondering if this is a cool toy for shots. Let me know what you think. For $200 US, $199. Is this worth it? I like the fact that it fits literally in my pocket. And if you guys notice, I am rocking still the Beyond Riders mesh jacket 2 times. There you go. So I click it once, and the lights turn green, and then you're going to click it again real quick to turn it on. You turn it around, the camera always has to be pointing toward you, and you cycle through these deals on the side. So, and you can see it should just fit on my pocket. And yes, the Beyond Rider jacket pockets are big enough to fit a DJI Neo comfortably. There's actually a little room in there. So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, let's go for a ride. And that's about it. I love this Moto nap bag because all my batteries are in sight here. Glass cleaner, 360 case, and all my batteries. And I probably got water on all the lenses.